today's session and seminar. The name of our seminar is Moving Baltic Sea Region to Carbon Neutral Mobility, Opportunities and Challenges. So thank you all for participating in our event today. Thank you for participants who are interested in the matter, and also thank you for our speakers who have agreed to talk today. I think this is going to be a very interesting discussion. First of all, I would like to mention that this meeting is being recorded, so be aware of that. And I think we have a very good list of speakers today. We have speakers from Latvia, we have speakers from Estonia, we have speakers from Lithuania, we have speakers from Sweden. So, and we are going to cover a variety of issues. My name is Juris Iljins. I'm administrative director of Riga Technical University and also Baltic University Program National Coordinator in Latvia, and we are organizing this seminar today together with the Baltic University Program Network. And about what is BUP and what does it do, we'll have Pontus who will give a brief introduction. But anyway, thank you very much for participating today. During our session, I will be your moderator for entire seminar, and in the end, we will have opportunity also for our participants and attendees. If you have some question, you will be able to ask your question via microphone. But during our agenda, when we will have speakers talking about their subjects and their themes, I would ask you to, if you have a question or comment, please write it in the chat. We will read it out and ask it for speakers to answer in order to save time, and we will stick to an agenda. Before we start, we first of all we would like to kind of see the mood in the room. If I might say, we have a short poll for you. So Pontus, I would ask you to put up the first poll today. So question is, do you think there is going to be significant change in transport sector in the next 10 years? I mean, globally, to see how our participants today feel about this matter, whether there's going to be change. And while you answer this poll, I would like to give floor to Pontus, BUP representative. He's project manager, administrator, and also our technical host today. So Pontus, please, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Juris. Hello, everyone. My name is Pontus Ambrose, and as Juris introduced me, I'm project administrator at the Baltic University Programs Coordinating Secretariat at Uppsala University. I will be here today mainly doing the technical aspects. So if you have any technical questions, you're most welcome to write me in the chat. We are also, I also here to give a short greeting from the Baltic University Program Director, Madeleine Granvik, who was supposed to be here, but unfortunately got some last minute changes to her schedule and couldn't be here. So on her regard, and of course on my and my colleagues here from the Coordinating Secretariat, we would first of all like to welcome you to this session. The Space Bridge 2.0 session is a session that it's a program that we're running throughout this year, commemorating the fact that we are celebrating 30 years of a university program working on sustainability science in the Baltic Sea region. And for those of you who are not aware of Baltic University Program, we are a university program with more than 90 participating universities located within the drainage basin or within the countries within the drainage basin of the Baltic Sea region. We work on topics connected to sustainable development and democracy, and we have been doing so for the last 30 years. And we are doing this sessions tour, basically, where each country around the Baltic Sea have the chance to present research connected to sustainability from their point of view and from this from their view, basically, on the issues that we're facing. And we are very happy and very glad about our national center in Latvia at Riga University of Technology. We have a good cooperation with Juris, and we are very happy that you are hosting this session for us and that you have taken making this big job of organizing everything. And on these notes, I would like to just shortly again say a big thank you to Riga Technical University and to all the participants here, presenters and participants. And with no further ado, I will let you continue. I will share the results from the poll now. And if Juris, maybe you would like to introduce our first speakers of today.
Yes, before we do that, so we can see we have majority of people who answered saying that people do think there is change. So you're in the right session. So we're going to talk about what changes can we expect. Before we start, I would like to a little bit mention on our attendees. So we have registered people today from quite many countries. So we have participants registered from, of course, from Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, but also from Ukraine, Sweden, Slovakia, Russia, Poland, Germany, Finland, and Belarus. So I think this gives us a very good international feeling, and I'm glad to see that questions regarding Baltic states are interesting to many people around the region. So without further ado, I would like to give the floor to our first speaker.